Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to install CPT Cisco Packet Tracer in an Android phone. Click upon Play Store, then search Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer Mobile. Then click upon Install. Then click upon Accept. It will take few or more time according to the speed of the data which you have using. Just you can see it here. It's very small. It didn't take a last time. Now, now, when it returns open, then it's a packet tracer. This is the icon which we have using. Now click upon it. The Cisco Packet Tracer mobile has been opening. Cisco Packet Tracer has been opened in the mobile and click upon OK. If you have a username, if you have a registered username or email ID with the Cisco, then enter it. Otherwise, you can click upon guest login. It will take 14 seconds to open the CPT. Wait till it opens. Now if you doesn't have any file, then this is the first time we have opening a CPT, then click upon new. Now you can see here at the left right corner that there is a new network, load network, save network, and this is the more scenario where, and this is the help. Next, to play the scenario which we have using, stop, and etc. So these you can choose a device which you want to use. This is the router, this is the switch, this is set of wireless devices. Through nodes you can enter node into a scenario, and then it's okay. New network, you can click it here. This is the scenario chooser. Next, play having, and this is some tap the workspace to start. Yeah, this is a multi-select devices. This is a draw toolbox which you can use to ellipse lines and etc. And this is the WAN devices which we are using as a DSL modem, cable modem, cloud, and etc. Now, by using this module, we can learn